I've always been inspired by color. I've always been drawn to bright, bold, vibrant colors. So I've never really had to look very far for inspiration. Hi Power Positivity. My name is Annalisa and I'm a fluid acrylic artist in Alaska. Art has always been a part of my life. I was blessed to have a grandma that spent a lot of time teaching me about all art forms. Most of my working knowledge of color and acrylic paint comes directly from her. Sometimes it feels like she's with me when I paint. And that makes me feel amazing because it's like she's there with me even though she's not. My fluid acrylic painting obsession began last year. My daughter decided she wanted to try out paint pouring, and we wanted to see just how easy it was. And we quickly found that wasn't the case. It was so much fun, and it was so amazingly satisfying seeing all the colors mix and move on the canvas. I decided that I just had to keep going. I had to make it work. March of last year, I stumbled across the SheleeArt technique and I decided to sign up for a course, and I fell in love with that technique. And I've spent so many hours trying to perfect my own style that I'm sure my whole family is very sick of it by now. Some of my favorite things to look at to find inspiration are flowers or the Northern Lights. The Northern Lights are probably one of my favorites. I also have found that YouTube videos and Facebook groups and my followers on Instagram are huge sources of inspiration. I can reach out to people and I can see others do it and I can try to replicate it. If I have problems, I can ask. And if I have successes, I can share it and get everybody's feedback. And I love hearing what everybody sees. What excites me the most about the creative process is you never know what you're gonna get. Sometimes it's going to be a complete and total failure, and sometimes it's gonna be the most beautiful painting you've ever made. My advice to anybody looking to start creating art is really just go for it. You never know what's gonna be your next big thing until you actually try it. It really is important to not get frustrated and to treat every single time that something maybe didn't go the way it was supposed to and turn it around and try to make it better.